y'all, she is giving what she is supposed to give me. I am just showing y'all how this wig look before I start combing and brushing her out and customizing her a little bit. But y'all, just right off the bat, she did come out the package tangled, but you know what, we're gonna fix that and we're gonna fix her up and make her look very, very pretty. Hey, my beautiful sunshine guy, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Akis Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today we are going to be talking about this pretty wig right here, and I got her from Nayasa Wig Company. And the details on her is that she is a long brown wavy wig, and she is synthetic, y'all, and she's heat safe up to 350 degrees, and she is a brown, she has a brown color, and she is mixed with these pretty blonde highlights, as y'all can see. And she is pretty long, so she's like 24 inches, so she come all the way almost down to my hip area. So y'all, she is pretty long, and she is so pretty. Like, y'all, this wig is a look. Y'all can go to Thanksgiving, at the Thanksgiving table. Y'all can be sitting down with your cousins and your uncles and your aunties and nieces and all of those people. And you're going to be sitting there. You're going to be looking real cute. You'll be looking real pretty. They'll be like, oh, girl, where you get your wig from? I like those highlights. I'm like, thank you, girl. Thank you. I got it off Amazon. Go check it out. But y'all, really though, she is synthetic, so she has a silky texture. She does tangle, she does shed. So if you're gonna step out in her, you're gonna need your brush and your comb. And this is how she's looking on the side. I just want y'all to catch these highlights right here. Can y'all see them? Can y'all see those pretty highlights? And this is how she's looking in the back. This is the other side. Yeah, I really like her. She is so pretty. I really like the way they mixed this color together. I like how they got the blonde highlights in the front. And y'all, she doesn't have ear to ear lace. She just come with some lace like right here in the middle, which I don't mind, because to me, you don't have to do all that customization or plucking. All you gotta do is just pluck the middle part and put some powder in her or some concealer, and you know, go on about your day, and boom, you know, you got a quick, easy hairstyle, and you good to go. You is good to go. And y'all, I will link everything in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.